We're back with breaking news on Donald Trump's federal trial. Judge Aileen Cannon setting a tentative trial date for August 14th, just a few weeks from today, and right in the middle of primary campaigning. Keep in mind this date is flexible. It is likely to change. But let's discuss this and more now with NBC News Justice correspondent Ryan Riley. Also back with us, Catherine Christian, former assistant Manhattan District Attorney and MSNBC legal analyst, and former FBI Special Agent Clint Watts. Ryan, tell us more. What do we know about this trial start date and what's supposed to happen between now and then?
Yeah, subject to change, but it is an indication that, you know, they're willing to put the foot on the gas a little bit here in terms of this trial trajectory. That Donald Trump, if he wants to go to trial, if he wants to, have this heard in open court, he can do so very quickly. I expect, any delays are going to be a result of what Donald Trump wants to do, because we've seen an indication from the special from Jack Smith's office that they are ready to go to trial on this, and they brought this case because they are ready to go. So, they are, I think, prepared if they want to move forward. I think what's going to end up happening, though, is that Donald Trump's going to say, well, pump the brakes here. I got a lot of stuff going on. Remember, he's got another trial happening scheduled for early next year. There's this pending investigation regarding the peaceful transfer of power on January 6th that we're still waiting on a decision, potentially from a federal grand jury there. There's another potential charge coming out of Georgia. So he's got a very busy court calendar and a very full docket coming up potentially over the next coming months, and especially with the the shakeups on his legal team. I would expect that we're not going to see a trial date in Florida in August, which I'm sure will be a relief to all the reporters who would have to cover such a trial in August in Florida. But we could see something coming up shortly here, and that's an indication that they are willing to move forward if Donald Trump wishes to do so.